we want to really show you this, show you some pretty killer examples of exactly how the ottoman can start to like explode your possibilities. You guys know that Outer is modular, right? That's one of the main reasons that it's so amazing is you can always configure it, whether it's the casual dining we showed you earlier or a big long bed. We've shown you a bunch of amazing options. But today we want to talk about extreme lounging. Extreme lounging. Wait till you see this. So we did the same thing. We pitted Sarah Ann and Tabitha, whom we love very much, against each other, and we made them have a design off of what would their extreme lounging options be. So let's take a look with our very first one. I think our first one here is Sarah Ann. So let's see what Sarah Ann came up with.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That is
okay.
so cool.
Okay, so let's take a look. Basically, this looks like we've got, you can see the backs, right? You can see the backs on the sofa, so you can see what's like a corner piece, what's maybe an armless, what's a love seat. And then there's two in the middle there, which look like the ottoman. So let's take a look at what this actually becomes.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Talk about a place you want to hang out, or your kids being able to jump on it. It's amazing.
I mean, that is absolutely epic. I can imagine everybody like with their back up against the backs and their feet all towards the middle, chatting. What would you guys call this? I really want to know what you would name this. Like, it's like a giant pit. Like, what is it? This is so beautiful, and I mean, it looks absolutely epic.
And Orly,
it's amazing.
yeah.
This is gonna be tough to beat.
I think that what you just said is really interesting because when you think about sofa and configurations, there's like the 3-seat sofa, the love seat, the left arm sectional, the right arm sectional, the U sectional. I don't think there's a name for this. I don't know if this exists, but if you guys have a name, if we want to offer this, what should we call it?
Seriously, oh my God, someone just wrote Deep Couch City.
Deep Couch City, nice.
Slumber Party, I like to call it Sanctuary. Oh, these comments are amazing.
Sanctuary,
you guys are the best.
That.
This is so great. Okay, let's take a look. We have another one. So, you know, this one might get beat. You never know. Okay, let's take a look at Tabitha's.
Nice.
Alrighty. So Tabitha's design looks like all of the backs go around in a U shape and the front is completely open. So I wonder what this turns. Okay, so let's take a look at what this looks like in real life.
Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Wait, look, do you see like the popcorn? It's like a movie night.
Nice.
I could imagine like a big outdoor projector, everyone laying back. This is incredible. Okay, you guys are gonna have to come up with a name for this one too.
You know what's
The other
cool?
one looks like it was maybe more about like talking, everyone faces in. This one looks like it's more about maybe sitting back and watching something, some sort of a viewing party, outdoor movie night, someone said.
You know what I love about this? We, you know, we talk about like the most comfortable seat in the house, inside or out. This almost looks like the most comfortable napping spot.
Oh,
with how deep
I
it
mean,
is.
You could do that. You could sleep like, you know, like when you sleep in a king bed, you get used to it, and like one arm's to in your leg, and you're like
a
all
big
over
star.
the place. Yeah. Giant starfish. Exactly. This is amazing.